Situated on the southeastern coast of the island of Lesbos, Mytilene is the vibrant capital and cultural heart of one of Greece's most historic islands. Overlooking the deep blue waters of the Aegean Sea, the city blends centuries of history, diverse architecture, and lively island life into a destination of remarkable character and charm. Mytilene has a history stretching back more than 3,000 years and has played an important role in Greek culture since antiquity. It was the birthplace of the celebrated lyric poet Sappho and has long been associated with intellectual and artistic achievement. Throughout its history, the city has passed through classical, Byzantine, Genoese, and Ottoman periods, each leaving visible traces on its urban landscape. The most striking landmark is the imposing Mytilene Castle, one of the largest castles in the Mediterranean. Built on the site of an ancient acropolis and expanded during Byzantine and later Genoese rule, it dominates the city from a pine-covered hill and offers panoramic views across the harbor and toward the Turkish coast. Wandering through its walls reveals layers of history that reflect the city's strategic importance through the centuries. The city itself is built around two natural harbors, giving it a distinct maritime identity. Elegant neoclassical mansions, narrow old streets, bustling waterfront cafes, and traditional markets create a lively and welcoming atmosphere. The Irmu district, with its shops and local businesses, forms the commercial center, while the waterfront promenade is a favorite gathering place for both residents and visitors. Mytilene is also known for its rich cultural life. Museums, galleries, and historic churches reveal the island's artistic and religious heritage, while annual festivals celebrate music, literature, and local traditions. The city's cuisine is another major attraction, featuring fresh seafood, locally produced olive oil, ouzo, and regional specialties that reflect Lesbos' strong gastronomic identity. Beyond the city, Mytilene serves as a gateway to the island's diverse landscapes, including olive groves, thermal springs, traditional villages, and beautiful beaches. Its location makes it an ideal base for exploring the wider island. What makes Mytilene especially captivating is its balance of urban energy and island tranquility. Rich in history yet alive with contemporary culture, it offers visitors an authentic experience of Greek island life, shaped by centuries of tradition, creativity, and connection to the sea.